Hi, welcome. I'm Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I have conducted my life training programs all over the world in last 42 years. And more than 500,000 people attended my life training programs and become successful in their life. I've helped thousands of executives of the multinational companies and helped them to achieve their goal and become successful in their life. I work with the top level sportsmen and athletes from India and all over Asia and help them to achieve their goal, become successful in whatever sports they were and win tournaments, helping them to remove their negative blocks, changing their beliefs, getting into the peak state of mind. And I have created a lot of videos and audios and ebooks available on my website. And I've created more than 200 video courses like this available on my website and the places where you are watching this video right now. Now, this particular video is about how to manifest quickly by increasing your life force energy. Now, if you think that you are not able to achieve what you want to achieve or manifest what you want to achieve, the reason is you are lacking the life force energy or vital energy, we call it, or prana energy, whatever you can call them. Because of lack of energy, we are not able to manifest what we need. As you know that to run a car, you need a diesel, right, or petrol or fuel. You need to run certain battery operated things and power operated things. Something requires more energy than others, am I right? Now, to manifest something you need to achieve, you need to have more energy so that you can manifest what you want. Most of the time, because of a lot of negative things happening in our life, our energies are very low. So in this course, you are going to find out why your energies are low and how you can increase your energy, and then with the powerful meditation and relaxation you will be able to increase your energy levels so that you can manifest what you want easily. Now my course, in this course, by the end of this course you would have learned what energy is about, why the energy become low, how you can increase them, and then you will learn a very powerful visualization technique to becoming more energetic using the universal energy or prana energy, we call it in India, and you feel more energetic, and then you will learn how to relax and program your mind to manifest what you want. So once you have a lot of energy or increased energy, your manifestations will be much faster. So my friend, if your goal is to manifest what you want, this is the course for you. In this course, you will learn this technique, and to do this course, there is some important thing you need to understand. To do this course, it may take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Make sure that you are alone, nobody disturbs you, and if you are at home, you are not driving a vehicle or operating a machine. You need to close your eyes certain times, switch off your mobiles also. You have to do the exercise. Says there is not too much of theory. I'll just guide you one by one through the exercises so that you will have learned it by the time the course is over. So my friend, if you are really willing to manifest what you want, this is the course for you, and get ready to do the exercises. Keep a pen and pad with your hand to take notes also. So are you ready now? If you are ready, come back to the next lesson. Thank you very much.